Good evening, everybody. Welcome to this resume preparation session. My name is Avikal Chauhan, and I am a trainer in this 360DigiTMG company. Today we are going to look for the things regarding how we are going to prepare the resume, what things we have to add in our CV, okay, how we are going to make a resume according to the job description, which we're going to call it as a tailored resume. So we are going to look for the each and everything. Okay. So this agenda we are going to discuss today that we are going to discuss what is Taylor resume, and we are also going to discuss about the how we are going to understand job description is it relevant for you or not, and the skills and experiences what you have identified according to that you apply for the job. Okay, keyword, use the keyword effectively. What are the keywords you have to use? Customize the resume layout. Okay, then how we are going to make the cover letter. Okay, then what are the best practices you have to follow to come up with the making a resume. Okay, so yeah, 1 minute. Yeah. So in this Taylor resume, we are going to look for why we are going to make a Taylor resume. Okay, why we are going to make a Taylor resume. So it will going to enhance the visibility and the relevance to the hire manager. Okay, the manager which we are going to hire you or going to shortlist the candidates. So the visibility of your resume will be going to be increased. Okay, so what things you are going to put in your resume? You are going to highlight the skills and experiences which is aligned with the job or they mentioned in the job description. Okay, and you're going to make the resume like this, the interview chances are going to be increased. Okay. So in the because of this competitive job market is very competitive regarding the job. So we have to be stand out or our resume has to stand out from the other people's resume. So that why we have to make the tailor resume. Okay. Then then we are going to look for the how we are going to understand for the job descriptions. Okay. So when you're look for any kind of job, okay, in that job, all skills you know and you are able to or capable to do that job or not. Okay, so you have to match your skills, okay, with the job description in mention. Okay, and also focus on the essential qualification, or whatever the qualification they have told you about. You have to look for that qualification like the BTech, MTech, whatever. Okay. Adapt to the job language. Okay. So if they specify any kind of job language or the company used to work on, so they mostly prefer that kind of language. So in India, most of the time it's English only, but you are applying for any different country, then it will a little bit of specification regarding to the language. Okay. And whatever the job description skills they have mentioned, okay, the priorities things they have mentioned, according to that, you also able to know or predict the things regarding the interview questions. Okay, you can predict the interview questions from which field they are going to ask. Okay. Then you have to identify the relevant skill explain like I told you, whatever the job relevant skills they have mentioned in the description, you have to mention those skills in your resume. Okay, and whenever you are going to list out those skills and experiences in your resume, mention, please remember that all those things are free from error. Okay, they should be not as any kind of spelling mistake and all the kind of things. Okay, and also demonstrate any kind of achievement you have got during your previous job or in institution. Okay, qualify or demonstrate your qualification. Okay, so and always mention the relevant skills and experiences first. Okay, And please update your resume regularly because it will going to increase your chances to get selected. Okay. Then then you have to extract the keywords. Okay. What you have to do, you have to extract the keywords like which skills they are required in that company, what technology they are using. So those things you have to mention in your resume. Okay. Integrate the keyword into a description naturally. Whatever the keywords you are integrating, insert like that, it will insert it like a natural way or a natural flow or the project flow. Or sorry, not project flow, your resume flow. Okay, balance the keyword uses. Okay, because we have to not use the excessive keywords or the skills words which we know or we don't know, because there is a ATS software. Okay, so what this ATS software do before the human reviewer, it all the resume get shortlisted by this ATS software. So this ATS software is going to match the qualification skills according to the job description, each and everything. And according to that basis, he will going to shortlist your resume and send it to the human reviewer. So don't mention unnecessary keywords or which is not required according to the job descriptions. Okay. So avoid keywords of stuffing, like I told you that avoid unnecessary keywords for your job description which is not required. Okay. Then then cust after know all the things, detailing everything. Now you have to customize your resume. So customizing a resume, nothing, just you can do the chronological order or the functional combination format. Okay, and make it enhance whatever the font or color you are going to use in building your resume, make it take those colors and font which is readable easily. Okay, which is not poking in the eyes of the person who is reviewing your resume. Okay, don't use that kind of color which is not in first impression it was going to reject it. Okay, so take it a basic colors and fonts so everybody can able to understand all kind of things you have written. Okay. Then position critical information prominently, whatever the things or skills required in mentioned in the resume, keep those things and priority basis or top level. Use for visuals. Incorporate the subtle graphics of colors and accents. Okay. Then you have to make the cover letter. So in cover letter, you have to mention what the specific letter specifying for the person in a, if possible, means whatever the cover letter you are going to make, it will going to give a insight about your, give the information about yourself. Okay, what are the insight, why you are a good fit for this company, what are the your goals and opportunities. Okay, you have to going to mention each and everything. Okay, why you are going to fit in this competitive job culture of this company. All these things you can mention it. At last, you will going to make a conclusion all the things we have mentioned above in the cover letter. Then Then after making your cover letter and your resume, get that make sure that all the things you have written is free from error. There will be a no spelling mistake, grammatical mistakes in there. Okay, after preparing your resume, ask for the review for any kind of person in which on which you can trust, or mentor or your career advisor who are guiding you. You can ask for their feedback. Okay, then I already update your resume keep regularly, so it will going to keep your resume current situation or current updated. And engage in the networking. Engage in the networking means engage in the network with the people who are in the same job environment or job culture. It doesn't mean to get in the environment or networking with the friends and friends of friends and people which is not related to your job culture. Okay, so then the things are you can apply your jobs from Naukri.com, LinkedIn, Shine.com, Indeed, and all those things. There are the various job portals are there. You can apply it from anywhere, but the most of the times Naukri and LinkedIn are the best preferred in India, so you can go for it. Other than it is best as compared to other job portals. Okay, then these are the keywords you can use in your if you are building a data science resume. These keywords, when you use it, it will going to enhance the chances to get selected for the human reviewer and get the interview chances. Okay, these are the some kind of questions the interviewer going to ask. Are you willing to relocate or not? Are you fine to work on weekends and night? Okay, they will also going to ask about the some creative questions and say about your creativity, and they also think ask about your living life also. Okay, you are living with fathers or you are locating with somewhere else, that kind of thing. So these are all the things you have to remember when you are applying for the job or making a resume, tailored resume. Okay. So then you can contact us on this number. Okay. Or you can also follow us Instagram, YouTube and LinkedIn. Our office also located in Hyderabad, Bangalore and Chennai. So thank you all and have a nice day. We will meet in the next session and next week. So till then, thank you all. Bye.